Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this long wheelbase traveller. So this car features a lovely panoramic glass roof. You get 17-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows. There's also front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree colour reversing camera. Inside the car you've got full leather interior. The front seats are heated and also have a massage function. On top of this you get the touchscreen that features sat-nav, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. And some of the other features include dual zone air conditioning, there's blind spot detection, automatic headlights, wipers and cruise control. So let's have a look around. It's got the 2-litre Blue HDI engine that gives you 150 horsepower and has a 6-speed manual gearbox. It's done under 14,500 miles, and if it's of interest to you then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.